It's a lot of cheese, baby. Woo! Well, not even halfway with this.
Cheddar. Ow! Doom, 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 doom. Alright, after y'all just seen that gang of cheese in that bowl, bro, y'all can already assume by the title of this video, I'm about to be being the judge of how this soul food looks that this dude made for his black girlfriend. You feel what I'm saying? It's your boy Wallows, up in here, Wallows World, checking out this channel called Britain Lou. They have a well-meaning level of subscribers, about 22,800, and they're still climbing. So, you know, they're a fairly running up channel. Hopefully my subscribers get up there. Maybe if you'd like to subscribe, I wouldn't have to be the case. But, yeah, he cooks soul food for his black girlfriend, you know, first time, I suppose, which is good. So, yeah, I'm going to be a judge because, you know, I'm the black dude. And yeah, let's get down to it.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been a while, but here we are, we're back.
And we got a good one for you.
It's a good one.
I'm officially putting Lou to the test. I feel like I always say this, but like, this is for real. Like, this is the, like, if you mess this up, we might not be together anymore.
Shit, well, at least she got that right, because, boy, if he fucks this up, boy, you best divorce him. You gotta get the culture right.
We get a lot of requests from you guys to do challenge videos and prank videos. We're not exactly into that stuff per se, but we aren't against doing a challenge video. So this is our attempt at a challenge, and that challenge being Brittany putting me to the challenge of cooking her homemade soul food.
For the sake of my own soul, we're gonna skip this, because I'm not trying to watch nobody grocery shop. If I wanted to do that, I could have pulled up to Bilo myself, and I could have helped this man out. Yeah, so we're just gonna skip right past this.
So first we're gonna put the chicken in a plastic bag, kind of zigzag it back and forth so that I can fit as much as I could. And
Alright. Not bad for a start, but instead of just putting in little bags, you probably should just got bigger bags for that. Because you know what I'm saying, when you're making fried chicken, you want to get a bigger bag with the tossing of flour and stuff like that. So, yeah. I don't know. I mean, it's just a bunch of drumsticks anyways. I mean, you're not like you're in fucking KFC, right?
our tiny little bags. And then after I put that all in the bag, I added some buttermilk to the bags, sealed them all up. That way they could just kind of marinate in the milk. So after I filled all the bags with the buttermilk, I go ahead and pop them in the fridge. So once I got the chicken in,
I mean, no seasoning, bro. I know y'all probably thinking, maybe you should put the seasoning in the flour. But, dog, you're gonna be marinating your stuff in buttermilk in the fridge, bro. You was better off just trying to put something in through all that. Try and maybe baste the chicken maybe in something. You feel what I'm saying? And then sit it in the fridge, because you gotta remember, bro, that chicken, the taste of the chicken's gonna really carry on how that shit marinates. You feel what I'm saying? These are just tips from a man who learned how to cook subparly himself. So, eesh.
when they're marinating, I went ahead and boiled some water and added in the macaroni noodles, elbow macaroni. Let those guys get boiled up and al dente. Then moving on from there, I went ahead and started preparing the bacon for the beans, because I knew I had to cook the bacon first, so just kind of chop it all up into little baby pieces.
Alright, bacon, you know, for the beans. Actually, I ain't even mad at him for that one. I do like bacon in the beans. Elbow mac and cheese, though, he probably should have chose like rigatoni instead. Feel what I'm saying? Bigger noodle, more cheese, put it together, mac and cheese. But that's just my opinion. As stated before, these are kind of just how I like my things. As stated before, I'm not gonna like completely trash this man for how he does his stuff, but he should have gotten like bigger noodles instead of mac and cheese.
So once I chopped it all up, I added a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little tiny bit of brown sugar on the bacon. Pop it in the pan and then just kind of let it do its thing, get nice and crispy. So once I got that going, my noodles came to a boil and cooked to the point at which I needed to pull them out. So I went ahead and pulled them out, strained them, and then moved on to shredding about 4 cups of cheddar cheese into a giant bowl. And after I shredded my cheddar cheese up, I went ahead and shredded about 2 cups of Monterey cheddar.
He's got something going. I feel as if he done this before, man. This ain't no challenge, bro. This man's been on that rodeo. This man probably showed up at his friend Tyrone's house, and his friend Tyrone was like, "Hey, you trying to help my mom cook with me, bro?" And he was all like, "Bet," because there ain't no way, bro. He's on to something. That man already got the multiple cheeses. More than one cheese for your mac and cheese. That's rule of thumb. You don't just put just cheddar. You don't put just the white cheddar or whatever. Nah. Multiple cheeses. Rule of thumb. Because it ain't no mac and cheese without more than one.
So once I finished shredding up all my cheeses, I went ahead and added some eggs, beat them, whisked them up, all that good stuff. Added about 2 cups of half and half and 1 can of condensed milk, and stirred it all up, got it nice and well blended, added some salt, some pepper, and then stirred all that good stuff up. And then the messy part is coming up here. Went ahead and added all my milk and my condensed milk, as well as my salt, pepper, and egg mix.
Yeah, he's definitely capping. This ain't no challenge. This ain't his first rodeo. He knows what he's doing. He's on to something. That man put the half and half. He put the milk up in there. And he's about to put the elbows in there. This isn't his first rodeo. I'm telling you. Because my mom does the same thing. He's on to something. He ain't slick. He ain't slick. I'm telling you, bro. Before he met her, this man was probably hot chefing up in the back of a doggone SNS or something like that. I don't know, bro. This man was in the back of a church's chicken hot chefing, bro. He's on to something. He knows what's up.
With the cheese, and then I add my pasta in, get all in there. You don't have to wear gloves. I just chose to because it just seemed like mixing it would have been much easier that way. And I had gloves handy, so I mix it all up, get everything well incorporated together, and then move over to my pan where I add it all into the pan, kind of nice and evenly. Once I got it all spread out nice and even, I come back through with the rest of my cheese that I grated up. I took about a cup away of the sharp cheddar and then a cup of the Monterey off to the side so that I could sprinkle a coat of it on top here, kind of nicely evenly sprinkle my coat of cheese on top. It kind of clumps together once it starts getting warm, so you want to do this kind of quickly. Set my oven, got it preheated, I pop it in there and let it do its thing.
I am fucking impressed by his mac and cheese skills. I won't lie. I'm telling you. He was on to something. I might have to try it myself. He was on to something. You feel what I'm saying? You know, the mac and cheese look a little light skinned, but that's alright though. Feel what I'm saying? He's got that little light skin fade vibes to it, but that's mainly because he put elbows in there and he didn't put no bigger noodles in there. That's my only really complaint about it. But other than that, he's on to something. He's slick about it. I feel you.
So I set a timer for about 40 minutes to let the mac and cheese do its thing in there, and then after that I moved over to my beans, added about 1.5 pounds of beans, these are frozen, with 2 cups of chicken broth, some salt, some pepper. I also minced 2 cloves of garlic, and then add all my bacon in there.
Oh man, I thought he was gonna put the baked beans with the bacon. Oh my gosh, bro. Somebody please call the police, bro. Hey, you know what, bro? Like, bro, he's doing, bro. I could listen. Let me save you some time real quick. Hold up. See, I'm thinking this man about to put some ding dang freaking baked beans with the bacon. Nah. I got you, bro. I'm gonna show you the ultimate ingredient to save you every single time in life. It's the ultimate ingredient. You only need it once. Just put a good bit of it in there. You need it ever again. Hold on. My refrigerator looks like shit. Hold up. Butter. That's it. Butter, bruh. It ain't that hard, G. One ingredient.
That I got nice and crispy, and then stir it all up, get it all nice and mixed, and then just put it on the eye and let it do its thing. And then I move over to my flour for the chicken, poured some flour into a big baking dish, and then pull my chicken out and start coating it in the flour mix.
Not gonna lie, why does bro sound nervous this entire video? Bro sound like fucking Paula Dean's gonna beat his ass if he doesn't make this chicken right or something. Bro sounds like he's about to piss his pants, bro. No offense, bro, but damn, bro. You build your confidence up for your female, bro. That's your black queen, dog. You need things to be right, you feel what I'm saying? You gotta, like, respect the game, bro. Man's really out here sounding like, bro, like fucking Wesley Snipes in Denzel Washington's about to run through his house, kidnap his girl, and feed her fried chicken for the rest of her life. Holy shit, man. It's alright, man. You got this. One step at a time.
That flour is seasoned with salt and pepper. Yeah, just kind of seasoned to taste. I really wasn't sure how much to add, so I added a little more than probably necessary, but I didn't want some bland chicken. So once you get all your chicken nice and coated with flour, you are ready to move on. So once I got my chicken all coated in the flour, I was ready to go ahead and move on over to dropping it in the oil, which I will say, to begin with, I got my oil a little too hot, so definitely want to make sure you don't do that.
Alright, bro. Just a little side note, bro. Alright. I feel as if you wouldn't really need a pan like that for something like this. If anything, he should just get like a fryer with the little fryer baskets on there. I mean, he only got like, what is that, like 6 drums? Yeah, just get like a fryer basket. You probably get one from like Walmart for like 15, I don't know, like 12, 15 bucks. I don't know. But yeah, I feel as if frying it in the pan right there would probably have less of an effect if you just got a fryer basket from like Walmart or something like that. But that's just my 2 cents. I don't know. I feel as if, I don't know.
Because you will hurt yourself. But yeah, so I kind of, as you see, kind of adjust it. But got my chicken in there, just kind of rotating it every few seconds or so, just so it doesn't get overly crispy on one side.
All right, boys, how much we're betting on this one? Scale of 1 to 10, how much we're betting on this one? I already said the mac and cheese is good, but you know I'm scared of that chicken because he threw it in that pan like that. Better off just getting a fryer basket. He also did make okra, but I didn't want to show it because, I mean, I don't like okra. I just don't. But, yeah, scale of 1 to 10, let's rate it, boys. I'm putting 600 bucks on this one. Fingers crossed.
All right, so first off, we got John over here in the video today.
Yeah.
He came and joined us because there was no way me and Brittany were gonna eat even a fraction of this food. We got your mac and cheese, Southern style mac and cheese, homemade biscuit. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. These are Hawaiian sweet rolls. We got Southern style green beans with bacon and all sorts of other seasonings. Of course, the main dish being the fried chicken. And then just another simple side was the fried okra. Yeah.
Overall on presentation, it's not bad. If I had to rate it, I'd say it's like a 7 out of 10. My only thing is with that chicken, I'm not gonna lie, it's like two-toning the fuck out of me. As I said it before, bro, just get a fryer basket, dog. It'll save you some time. It's alright. It'll help get all sides without having you turn everything constantly. All you gotta do is just shake the fucking thing. That okra, light skin, I feel you though, but that's alright though. Mac and cheese look decent, you feel what I'm saying? Edges a little crispy on them, I'm seeing, you feel what I'm saying? But you know, overall, wasn't bad. It didn't look too bad. 7 out of 10. You feel what I'm saying? You should have had me up in the kitchen. I would have cooked that bitch up real nice. But overall, that's practically the end of the video. This video kind of just caught my eye out of nowhere, bro, because I was just looking at that video of that Asian dude who was talking about the fried rice lady. If you remember that dude, Uncle Roger, I think it was. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, this video kind of just caught my eye. So kind of just had to be the judge of that one, man. And I'm not trying to like bash a dude because it's like, oh, you got a black girl, you need a black king in your life. You know, I am not trying to say that crap. I don't care who you with because I like white women too. Hugh. But I don't know, bro. You feel what I'm saying? He didn't do a bad job on it. I said before, I think he was in the kitchen before this shit before. This ain't no challenge to him. I know he was hot chefing before, man. This man probably met Aunt Jemima or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, overall, not freaking bad. I'd probably sit there and eat him with it too. But yeah, I just want to thank y'all for watching this video. Just another, I think this is like the second ever reaction video I ever had on my channel anyways. But yeah, like and subscribe, comment down below how you feeling, and if you made it this far past the video, comment down below fried chicken is two-tone. Comment fried chicken is two-tone, and I'll know that you finished this video. But in that, yeah, like, subscribe, follow my handles. Yeah, and y'all have a wondrous skiddly diddly doo-dah day.
Hey, yo, Chris.
What up?
Hey, what time is it?
It's Modelo.
It's Modelo negative time.